Par of levels in crude oil 65.6. Look at the level here. This is what we talked about, and this is the level, one of my favorites. And see, 65.6 again offered it a very good resistance for the day, and actual gas stayed bullish, hitting the high at 3.64. See, this is this is what we had discussed few hours back in our daily update. So what to expect? Are we looking forward to a further rise here in oil and gas? The bottoming is done. Can we look forward to a rally here, or again the bears are going to take over? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and in this channel you get two updates a day. First with the Asia and Europe session, next is this with the US session, such that you can profit across the sessions. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the see. Oil so far for the day stayed muted, hitting 65.6. It is reversed, but again it is finding a good support here at 65, 65.2. Now once again, if you see it is staying beyond 65.6, you can stay bullish. This time we can look forward to 66.2, 66.8, 67 possibilities there, but right now the movement is very much muted. Notice it is trading in this channel. The median here is at 65.5, 65.6, which it needs to breach. So it is a narrow range bound movement as of now for crude oil. Stochastic here has dropped. The MACD after retracement, it is willing to cross over. Not a good sign. Remember, when it comes out of this channel, which means when it trades below 64.8, 64.4 zone, we can expect a good move. And the most critical support for the day, for the week, for the month is 63.8, 64 levels here. Rather, I will say 63.6, 64 levels here. Breaching below which we can expect a greater correction. The stochastic here is bearish. The RSI is now placed comfortably. Look at the 2 hour charts. Notice a sharp fall, then sideways movement, and this time breaking beyond 64, 63.6. This might bring another bears out here, which should take it all the way towards 63, 62 and 60 levels very, very soon. Now notice it is just consolidating rather than taking a direction. It is just staying itself. It's staying in a zone. So once you see it is staying beyond 65.6, again initiate a buy. Now see, this is getting oversold and hence a little recovery is possible. However, the reversal confirmation in crude oil is only and only if you see it is staying beyond 68. Stochastic has dropped. MACD under retracement, it can again cross over and drop. The RSI is also under retracement. It is trying to bounce back, trying to rise. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts under retracement here. And see the drop, retracement drop here. It can again take a dip here, but I'll say 64.4 is offering a good support. 64 the next, and then 63.6. Very, very crucial supports are available here on the downside. And then price is now taking the support. We can again expect a rise, but I'll say wait for 65.6 to be taken in order to confirm a buying position. Stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom. It is trading with divergence, trading bullish here. The RSI is also trying to come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, this is what you can see here. You can see a flat base, which is offering it a very good support. So the stronger the base, the stronger could be the rise here. But yet once this base is taken, because see, this is coming after a greater dip, what it is doing, it is just cooling down the indicators here. The moving averages have come down here, and now once if this is taken, it is going to show a stronger fall, and hence you have to be very, very cautious here. And remember, as long as 66, 67 zone is not taken, we should not be treating this as bull. And then a reversal confirmation is only above 68, 68.6. Stochastic is bearish here. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with a retracement looking upwards. RSI is rising, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, see a couple of observations here. Look at the sharper decline oil is shown. Diminishing bearishness is also you can see. Then a reversal sign has appeared. First greener candle has appeared. So ideally, the current candle also has to stay green. The current candle also has to stay bullish. And there is a possibility that this could be the symmetrical candle where the prices might move towards 66.8, 67. But it is not showing any strength as of now. And hence, at current levels, you have to watch out. You have to remain cautious. Notice these are the support zones, because below 63.6 is where, again, if this is taken, then you can say 62 and 60 has to be there very, very soon as well. Stochastic oversold. See, on MACD, there is a possibility for prices to keep moving downwards. See, MACD is still divergent and bearish, and this crossover is coming at a higher level. So keeping the space wide open on the downside. and hence you have to be cautious there on the upside. RSI has dropped as well. So now, considering before I provide you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 33rd mentorship batch starting coming Monday. This is very important for you to invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Thus, join the mentorship batch today. Only few seats are left. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner should join the recommended broker, which offers you a free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, zero commissions, and a worldwide presence with easier transactions and withdrawals from across the globe. Join it today and enjoy your trading experience. Else, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals, also you can profit. So, all the links are there in the channel and video description. Now, let's talk about the levels to buy. Very clear, 65.6 is the only level where you should initiate a buy. The lower price has to be above 65.6, expect 66.2, 66.8, 67. If 67 is taken, it's a reversal for the day. And for the week, 68 has to be taken. Then you can expect the bulls are back, and then 70 has to be there very, very soon. While right now the movement is muted here in crude oil, and hence once you see it is staying below 64.8, the lower price has to be below 64.8, take a sell there. Expect 64.4 the first target, and 64 the next, and then 63.6. Now 64, 63.6, it has to break, because if that is taken, it's a doomsday. We are looking forward to 63, 62, and then $60 levels in crude oil very, very soon. Remember this fact. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas, after the sharp dip towards 3.4, now it is bouncing back. Earlier in the day, I did mention that once it stays below 3.58, 3.6, you can look forward to 3.6566 as the first target zone, 3.7, 3.72 as the second. It is aspiring to move towards this zone. Look at this. It is trading bullish here, looking upwards. The moving averages have also started to converge, which is a good sign for the bulls. It was trading oversold, and hence we are seeing a little recovery. But on the hourly charts, now it has come towards an overbought zone. Though the MACD is under retracement, it's rising here after hitting the bottom. The RSI is also rising, which is also a favorable sign for the bulls. Look at the 2-hour charts. Similar observation here. See, this is what we discussed, that once it trades beyond first 3.56 and then 3.6 level, you can expect 3.6566. It has almost achieved this. Now waiting for it to break beyond 3.6566, which will confirm the next move towards 3.772 and then towards 3.78, 3.8. Only and only if it trades beyond 3.8, it's a reversal. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD, after hitting the bottom, has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence and staying bullish here, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See this? Lower highs, lower lows, trying to break out, trying to reverse. Once it trades beyond 3.6566, you can expect 3.7, 3.72. And see, this is possible that it can try to deliver a parallel here. Now, a parallel means a move towards 3.7, 3.72 has to be there, breaking beyond which you can say now the bulls are taking over, and then expect 3.8. Stochastic overbought, MACD hitting the bottom here, crossing over here, which is a very good sign for the bulls. And the RSI is rising, coming out of the oversold zone. Again, signs are supportive. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at, see, prices are divergent from the 20 period, and that is why I've called that we can expect a retracement towards the 20 period. Now this retracement is done and it is trying to break out. So what will happen once it stays and closes above 20 period? The possibility of a move towards the 50 and 100 periods will increase, which means 3.7, 3.72 has to be there, and in fact 3.8. Now notice 3.8. This is the zone 3.8, 3.84. If that is taken, that's a reversal here in natural gas. Else it is still not to be treated bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD, after a sharper decline, it is crossing over here, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. And the RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see, this is what we discussed, that diminishing bearishness and a reversal sign. Now this could become a reversal sign once the price trades beyond 3.7, 3.7 to 3.8, 3.86. Then the targets are going to be all the way towards 4. It may take time, but yes, it is possible, because see, this could become a reversal once it trades beyond 3.7, 3.72 zone, and then 3.8, 3.86 levels. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover, but on the MACD, if you see, after the retracement, it is crossed over. It is not a good sign for the bulls, as it is still having a lot much of downside available. The RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, The buying now is placed at 3.6566 zone. Expect 3.7, 3.72 as the first target zone, 3.78, 3.8 as the next. And then 3.85 should appear. Beyond 3.85, it's a reversal, and then a rally in the coming week should be there. Where it closes today, it is going to be important. A close above 3.7, 3.72 might say that the coming week it might open with a gap up towards 3.8, and from there again a drop should be seen or is possible. And on the downside now, the selling entry today I'll recommend is at 3.58, where you can expect 3.54, 3.5, and then 3.45, 3.4. Once it trades below 3.4 levels, any point of time today, tomorrow, or today or coming week, you can say 3.2 has to be there, and in fact 3 has to be there. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your query. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Tomorrow, do watch the weekly and monthly forecast. It's going to be a lengthier update, long-term forecast, which definitely will help you in your trading decisions for the month of July. Do watch that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.